Guys, welcome back to Testing Advices. In my previous video tutorial, we have performed the Eclipse setup and necessary JRE settings. But addition to it, we will perform two more necessary settings. First is the repo selection and second is updating the required code in POM.xml. So let's start with the repo selection. So what we'll first do is left click on this Maven project. We'll go to properties. We'll go to this Java build path. In libraries, we'll click on this add variable. In the variable, you can see the repo path is been shown in this m2_repo. So we'll quickly click on this OK. We'll apply and close. So for the folks in which the repo path is not displayed, what you guys need to do, you need to go to Java build path libraries, add variable. You need to click on this configure variable. So you can click on this new, and then in the name you need to provide m2_repo, and in the path you need to provide the repository path. So the repository path is in local disk C, then user, your user account, and m2 and repository. So you need to provide this path. So as you can see in this, the repos are already downloaded. So we will look into something more about POM.xml file. Okay. So the next, so you can see this reference libraries have been added in this particular folder. Okay, so we'll see more about it, but we'll also look into this POM.xml file. So during this project, we will need various jar files. So this POM file is the heart of this Maven project. So this POM file is the heart of this Maven project. So when we work on different projects, we import the required jars. Okay, but here we add the dependency in POM file and it will redirect to the relevant URL, and based on the version at runtime, it will download the required jars and test case will be executed. So when you open the project in your workspace, it will automatically download the required jars. And suppose there is an update available for any of the added dependencies, then simply we will update the version. And when we force update, the updated dependency will be downloaded. Okay, so we'll see practically how it exactly works. So I'll close the Eclipse. So first see, in M2 folder there are different repositories. So I'll close the Eclipse. Okay, then I'll go to this repository folder. Okay, so what I'll do, I will simply delete the folder. Okay, so now this repository folder is deleted. Now I'll launch the Eclipse. Launch. Now let's see what happens. So you can see there is no M2 folder. Okay, but here you can see building workspace. Okay, so see this. Now the reference libraries are automatically downloaded. Now if I refresh and force update the project, so Maven update project, force update, okay. So once this is completed, this error will not be displayed anymore. Okay, so you don't need to worry about like importing the jar files. We will simply add the dependencies in this POM.xml and it will be downloaded at the runtime. So how exactly this works? So we will go to this particular URL. Okay, so we'll launch the URL. I'll paste it. Okay, here it is, org.selenium.hq. okay, so you can see there are various packages available. So based on our need, we need to download the packages. So if we refer to our POM file, So as you can see, this Selenium Java artifact ID and version is 3.14. So in case we need any different version, so it is 3.14 updated one. So if we need any different version, what we'll do, we'll simply change this version. So if I do it like 3.13, so next time, as you can see, now it is getting changed. Okay, so based on our operation, this M2 repo will be changed. Okay, so in the meanwhile, we will verify the repository folder is again created, and here are the dependencies which have been added to this particular folder, and it will keep on continue till it finishes. So you can see now the updation of the project is in progress. So guys, what you can do, I have posted the link in the blog where you can actually copy this particular code. So later on you will not get any kind of errors in your particular project. The one thing you need to make sure, you need to update these versions. Okay, so you need to update the latest version. So you can see the usage, you can see the use of this particular version, and based on that you need to add the particular version, and the repository will automatically download that particular dependency. Okay, so hope it is clear to all, but still there is any further information you need to know, you guys can refer the official documentation. So in our next video we will look into the TestNG setup. Thanks for watching the video.